When we open the spreadsheet, this is what appears. There are one or more circular references where a formula refers to its own cell, either directly or indirectly. I will deal with that when I find it. Now, this spreadsheet contains data of the grade 10 to 12 learners who are going to attend an athletics meeting. The sport organizer wants to determine how many learners will be making use of bus transport and the costs attached. We need to find out the amount outstanding. Now, it's 40 Rand per learner for bus transport, equals 40 multiplied by the number who are using bus transport minus the amount paid in. Correct. There was no formula in this column, so the circular reference could not refer to this column. There's a formula here. This formula doesn't make sense. It says C2 minus G2, but the formula is in G2. That is a circular reference. Now we need to calculate here the number who are not using bus transport. Let me put in the correct formula, equals the number in the class minus those who are using bus transport. And I'm going to pull this down. Now we have no circular reference. Bus transport, total number. That can't be correct. The number of learners who are using bus transport? It's because they used the wrong function. It should be sum, not count. Count tells me how many classes would be using bus transport. That's sum. Now the number of buses. Each bus can hold 60 learners. So I'm going to say that amount divided by 60. And I need to round that up to a whole number. Round up to a whole number. So we have a bus for each learner. There, correct. This indicates that an operator, comma, or colon has been left out. I can see that the colon is missing. Put it in. Remove the empty space. There is a number. This is meant to be bus transport, number per grade for grade 10. Put my cursor in that cell and go to the top. The wrong cells were selected. It's meant to be those cells. The number in grade 10 who need bus transport. There. Yeah. Let me add the colon. And let me check if the correct cells were selected for that sum. The correct cells were not selected. It's meant to be that selection. So, there. The number in grade 11 who need bus transport. There. Me add the colon, and then let me check if it is the correct selection. That is correct.